We're gonna stop at this garage sale and see what they got. All right, all I got there was these three things for only $2. These Justin boots, just dusty, but they're very good condition, size 10.5. Should get like 40 bucks for these. Got a Connect 4 launchers. I've never seen it, but it's brand new, and it's actually gonna be for us. I'm not gonna resell that. And he also threw in this Living Webster and dictionary thing. I mean, it's free. I wouldn't say no to free. Check out the comp on this. All right, we're at Goodwill. Let's see what they got. I came as soon as they were restocking. That was a bust. Even though I came when they're restocking, all the shoes are priced at $18.99. All the ones that just came out. Right here at the Polos, I scored pretty good. This Lululemon right here. Here's the sign. Always look for the sign. It's like a size small, but $5.99. Should get like 25. This Nike UT Polo right here for 8 bucks. This one should give me 30. And this really cool Tesla polo shirt. It's a size, what size is it? Oh, I think it's size medium, but for only 6 bucks, should give me like 30 also. So I found one more polo. It's a polo Ralph Lauren, but it is a Pima Soft Touch version. It's a big size, 2XL, and they only want 8 bucks for this. Should get like 30 to 35. And I got two pants. These BKE Maya for only 8 bucks. These are like the bootcut one, very in style right now. This one should give me like 30. And these really cool vintage Adidas like pants. These will sell very good on Depop for 25. And they only want 5 bucks. Paid 48 bucks for everything. On to the next. Next stop is Plato's Closet. See what they got. First find I got, starting out very good for 20 bucks. These Vapor Max, they're size 7 women's, but check out these comps on them. Crazy find. Can't believe I found these Ellen Edmonds shoes. They only want 15 bucks for these. These should give me over 60, 70 bucks. For 16 bucks, I'm gonna get these platform Adidas shoes. They're very clean for being white, and the whole platform style is very popular on Depop. Also found these Kobe's for 20 bucks. Size 9. These are my size. Don't know if I'm cute, but these should give me like 50 to 60 bucks. Plato's Closet sleeping on these. 7 bucks for some fit flops. Check out the comps on these. These are crazy. Now I'm gonna look through it close, see if I can find anything good. This is the only one I found for me, for myself. For only 10 bucks. Not bad. Spent 108 bucks. It's a great stop. Let's go check Goodwill. It's Goodwill stop. Found one pair of shoes in here. You want 12 bucks for these, but these are very clean. Should get like 40 to 50 for these. Okay guys, so we went ahead and spent like $162-ish today on today's trip, and we should make about 600 and then 500 profit. Say hi. Anyways guys, I'd say this is a great side hustle for those who just want a little bit extra income on the side. I spent like 2 hours thrifting, and I made pretty good money, right? Say yes. Yes. All right. Bye guys. Say bye.